when you're starting.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's Renee here from Saturday Night Life Cooking Show. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making some chicken and yellow rice. And we're making it with the white rice, but we're going to turn that thing yellow using the saffron and using the sesame. Now, I did not have any chicken broth, but I got these little bouillon cubes. I heated up some water in there, so before we get the chicken started, I'm gonna go ahead and put the bouillon cubes in here and let them flavor the water for us. Okay? Hope everybody out there is ready to get their grub on, because I want y'all to make this at home. Okay? We're gonna get started with a very nice dinner. Use it for Sunday dinner. You can do it during the week. It really isn't gonna take that long. Once you get the chicken browned off and your rice in there, you're just really gonna be sitting back waiting for it to finish cooking. Okay? So I get these bouillon cubes in there for now. And somebody is calling. Alright guys, so we got the chicken in here. I don't think I'm going to use all this chicken, but I'm going to go ahead and salt it, pepper it, put a little garlic powder on it. I got my niece behind the camera, Michaela, my beautiful niece. Say hey, Michaela.
Hello.
You can't see her yet. Maybe you'll see her when it's time to eat the chicken and yellow rice. She came over to help me today. It's so much easier when you got somebody else doing the video instead of trying to do it yourself. It's maddening when you try to do it yourself. I'm not gonna put a whole lot of season on it because we got a lot of other flavors we gotta add in there. I've already turned on the stove. The pan is hot. Put my olive oil in there. Same hand. Going to get some chicken. I tried to get some smaller chicken legs, and I got some chicken wings, so that way it doesn't take too long to cook. And you want to get this chicken browned so it looks like something, right? Okay, I think we'll do 6 pieces, that'll be enough. We'll let that go ahead and cook. You can keep watching this chicken there.
Oh.
I'm gonna wash this chicken off my hand. Alright guys, next step in the chicken and yellow rice process, I want to go ahead and cut up some garlic because we're going to make a small can of black beans to go along with this. I wish I had some Cuban bread, but I don't. But that's okay. We're going to make it work with what we have. Right? Improvise. You can put any kind of bread with it that you want. It's up to you. So the garlic is going to go in last. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the pot. Get it started. Come on, okay? So we get in here. I have bell pepper, onion, and some celery. Put that in there. I'm gonna put my garlic in here. We'll let that cook just a little bit. I mean, a very little bit. I got pan opener. Don't need it. Try to shake all your juice and your flavor from the bottom. Also, while it's getting hot, remember you got to add some spice and flavor to this. So you're going to add those vegetables, and you're going to add garlic powder to the beans when they start cooking. Okay? I'm going to get these just a little bit sweating. We're going to cook on our chicken. I want to make sure it's pressed down enough so these wings can get brown here. So we want a little color on our chicken. So once you put your rice in there, it's going to be looking good. Okay, press that chicken down so make sure it has contact with your pan. taking this much over. You gonna get in the pot? You see how it's sweating those vegetables there? I'm not gonna sweat them a whole lot because the beans still have to cook in there. I'm gonna put these in there. You can eat them just as they are, but I prefer to add a few things to it. So I'm gonna add my garlic powder to it. I got some cumin, C-U-M-I-N, that I'm gonna add. I got a little bit of kosher salt. I don't want it to be too salty, right? And can't forget the sofrito. That's just more added flavor in there. I'm gonna stir this up and I'm gonna leave these alone. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and take the chicken out. It's got some brown color on it. Take that out to the side. Ooh, the other side is hot too. Okay. So I've got all of this goodness in here, right? I got the oil left in there from the chicken. I'm gonna add these, which is the vegetables, in there. Let those cook off. Those are all frozen. I cut my stuff up ahead of time. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. I'm going to cut up some garlic to add in there. I'm doing a rough chop because it's going to break down anyway as it's cooking. And I'll put that in there in a minute. But I'm going to add the rice. Okay. Get it incorporated with the vegetables there. Turn these beans down. Just let them go on the simmer for now. Okay. I got some sesame in here. That's going to help with that yellow color. Turn the rice yellow. I also have some saffron threads that I'm going to put in there. You see that part right there? That's called the fond. That's what's left in the pan after you cook a meat. And it's just flavor. Take this out. Remember, I used some bouillon cubes in the water because I didn't have chicken broth. And I'm just trying to up the flavor instead of just adding regular old water to it. Oh, and there's one right there. It'll cook down. So I'll move that around, get it all incorporated. I want to add my garlic into the pan. I also want to add some sofrito to the pan. I'm going to add some olives later, just not right now, but a little bit later when it's bubbling back up again. Because I think the olives, now I'm not a person who eats olives, but I love the flavor that it lends to food. I even get olive juice if I'm just making just yellow rice, and I'll just use the juice in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in now. It's not gonna hurt anything. That's enough. Since I don't like them, because I'm gonna pick them all out anyway. Okay. Break out my saffron threads. And this all, ooh, shoot, no, this stuff is expensive. Okay, there. That's about all you need right there. For your saffron threads. Save those for special occasions. No. And I'm going to put the chicken back in, and what we'll do is just wait for the chicken to cook, finish cooking through, and the rice to get done. Meanwhile, the beans are doing just fine. Okay, so I'll see you back in a minute once the chicken starts to cook a little bit more and the rice gets cooked through. Choose the pot. And you see they're looking good. They taste good too. I already tasted the juice. We're just gonna let them keep simmering so we get the flavors all up in there. Make it nice and delicious. Now I'm gonna check on the chicken and rice and see how that's coming along. Got a medley of your vegetables there. Yeah, rice is turning yellow. Chicken's looking good. Real good. We're just gonna let it keep cooking. I'm not gonna agitate it too much. I'm just gonna let it go. I just wanted to check on it, take a peek. Okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. You see the chicken and yellow rice, all the liquid is cooking out of it. So now's the time that I'm gonna add the peas on the top. Because we like to get our vegetables in there. Now I also have some pimentos that I'm going to add. And pimentos, they come in this little bitty jar. I got the sliced kind. It's more like a decoration for me. But they taste good too. So add a few of those in there. I'm going to put the top back on. So those peas, they're frozen peas. Make sure they get cooked. I thawed them out a little bit. Okay. So that's what we're looking at right now. Oops, sorry, a finger got in the way. We'll come back in about 10 more minutes. Alrighty guys, we are at the end of our race. So it's time for me to fix my niece something to eat. Michaela, what you want, leg or wings? Leg? Okay. You like olives, right? Okay. Make sure you get some olives in there. Here's the leg. Look at that, guys. Ooh. And she likes her black beans on top of her rice like me. Put some black beans in there. Okay guys, Peekaboo just woke up. There's Michaela, my production assistant. And there's her food. She's gonna try it. Oh, excuse you. You didn't even eat yet. This is gonna be yours right here. Oh Lord. Stop it. Okay, Michaela. Can you do it with her? It's hot, so be careful. It's good. It's good? Yay. And you got to watch me do it, so now you get to do it. It's going to be your turn. Peekaboo? Do you want some beans and rice? Here. Why you always got to feed yourself? Yeah. She want to clown, y'all. She does like beans and rice. Okay, stop. I'm not going to let you do it. I'm not.